don't Snapchat, man.
Already fixing it, and it's brand new. Put one mirror on. Gotta get both of them.
Put this in the trunk.
So anyways, welcome back guys to another video. This video we picked up our 323,000 mile Honda Civic. We needed a separate car to drive. The Power Stroke is just too much money to drive. So we still have the Power Stroke, obviously. Picked this nice little car for 1,500 bucks. Got brand new mirrors for it. Gotta put this one on still. So now we're going to the auto store to get our seat covers, new steering wheel cover, and the bolts for the mirrors, or the nuts. And I'll give you guys a tour of this thing when I get back. Say something while you're worried.
Go fast.
So anyways, y'all, we got the new car all done. Alright, give me a second, we'll pop the hood. Oh God. Anyways, we got the mirrors on, she's mint, seat covers, everything. There's where it rubbed a hole. Oh God. Anyways,
Thanks.
we're gonna wash her real quick.
Fucking dipstick's hard as shit. Minty oil level, I think.
Hopefully. And look at that, head is just off that thing. Time to get some 6 shots of us washing it. So anyways, as you can see here, this is the car, and it's complete. So she is watertight. Well, now it is.
Well, not really, but there's a wee bit of water in there.
Yeah.
A wee bit.
A wee bit. That'll be alright.
But she's meant it.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video.
One more time for good luck.
What the hell? Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. And what the hell? Hold on, don't break it. Let me shut it.
Oh my fuck.
Anyways,
Get back!
I'll make plenty of videos on this car. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. So we're here. Those 2 container trucks are stuck. That ought to pull them out, huh?
And a fucking plow behind it. Hell yes.
That's gonna be a hard jerk. Tractor just pulled right out, didn't it?